This simple dinner idea will take you back to the happiest place on earth. It's a pan-seared salmon with basil cream sauce, and it's inspired by the Blue Bayou restaurant at Disneyland. Wendy Paul was just there. She's bringing us this copycat plate. I'm loving hearing the feedback, the playback of your vacation, because it sounded so magical.
It was so much fun, and to be there during the holidays, it just added so much more magic. The lights, the atmosphere, it even smelled like Christmas.
And no children were lost in the...
And I didn't lose my child. I know, my youngest.
That's always a win.
So I feel like I'm Mother of the Year. I came home with everyone.
So Blue Bayou, for those who don't know, it's the restaurant, and I didn't know, but it's the restaurant, I'm told, by Pirates of the Caribbean, right?
Yes, so you actually eat, and it looks like, no matter what time of day, it looks like you're eating in a New Orleans square, and it's nighttime, so you've got these beautiful lanterns, you've got Pirates of the Caribbean coming through, so you can wave at people as they're eating,
it's kind of
as they're walking. It is a little more pricey, so just know that the price point is higher.
But you say worth it.
So good, it was so good. So I ordered the salmon, because when I go to restaurants, Brooke, I like to try things that I usually normally wouldn't make.
You branch out.
I look at the ingredients and say, oh, I wouldn't put those together. I want to try it and see how it tastes.
So you're looking at it with your food palette.
Totally looking at it with my food palette. So when I ordered the salmon, my dad's like, you need to recreate this. So what did I do? I came home, and 2 days later, we've got this awesome salmon plate.
First of all, I can't believe you ordered salmon on vacation at Disneyland. Where's the deep fried sandwich? Where's
no.
There was plenty of that?
We had plenty of that. In fact, the Red Wagon has the best corn dog in the history of corn dogs.
Oh, I've talked about the corn dog
many
many
times. We waited for like 45 minutes, but we got to watch the parade while we waited, so it was worth it. But
always a win.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
but this is really good.
How do we recreate this at home?
So super easy, guys. 20, 30 minutes max. You have this on your table for your family, okay? So we're gonna start by frying some fresh basil, okay? It's gonna be just our little crispy topper.
Okay.
So we're just gonna put that, and it's gonna start to sizzle a little bit, okay? So just let it go for just a few minutes.
I've never fried herbs before. That's crazy.
So, oh, it's yummy. Look at this. This is what it turns out to be.
So you get the flavor and the crisp.
Yeah, and the crispy, and it's just crispy, crunchy, and really thin. Love it. Okay, so we're gonna make, it's like a little garnish, like a little salad for on top of the salmon. Okay, it's got Roma tomatoes, capers, and green onions.
Yum.
Easy, right?
I
Three
can
ingredients.
Do that. Yep.
So we're just gonna mix it together.
Can I drop in some capers?
Yep, drop in all the capers.
I like capers. I know they kind of have a visceral reaction, but
I like them. Some people don't like them, and if you don't, you could always leave it out.
Sure.
Okay. So just toss it together, and the capers are salty, so I did not add any extra salt to this. Just left it like it was. Okay. So for the mashed potatoes, I did the magical mashed potatoes out of my newest cookbook.
Yes.
So it's like a cauliflower mashed potato mixture.
So there's cauliflower in here.
Cauliflower in there. So the thing that I found was to make sure I have enough potato to cauliflower ratio, so you got that creamy texture that mashed potatoes have. So 3 small potatoes to 1 head of cauliflower.
Nice.
It's like the perfect combination.
Okay, so cauliflower is your base.
Yes, cauliflower, a little bit of mashed potatoes, and then I added some Parmesan cheese because at the restaurant it was cheesy mashed potatoes.
Okay. So the Parmesan.
So Parmesan adds a little. Yep.
Salmon goes kind of in the middle.
Yeah. So let's plate one, shall we?
Any tips for cooking salmon? People are scared of fish. At home.
Don't be scared of fish, guys. That's my thing. Fish is yummy. It's easy. I think oftentimes we cook it too much, and that's when we don't like it. Okay, so I put a little more cheese. Why not?
Oh, is cheese already in there? Oh,
no,
sorry.
but let's put more on. Cheese is always good, right? Okay, let's scoop a little bit of the greens. So it's a little bit of a spinach arugula mix, okay? So we're gonna put some right on top.
This is fancy, but it's fast.
It's fancy and fast, and literally a little bit of chicken broth or vegetable broth, and then wilt it just for a few minutes on medium. Okay. Now we're gonna put some salmon on, okay? Oh, so yummy. And with salmon, you're just gonna cook it till it starts to flake. So medium heat, you want a little bit of oil in it, and probably 3 minutes on each side at the most.
Oh, this smells amazing.
Doesn't that smell amazing?
And I can even smell it through a head cold, which is saying something.
It's just so good. Okay, so the basil sauce, this is like what made the meal. Like you wanted to dip your bread in it and get every ounce of this sauce up. So it's just a little bit of chicken broth, okay? A little bit of basil, and this is the basil I used. Have you ever seen this, Brooke?
I have this in my fridge right now.
Isn't it the best thing ever?
First introduced that to me.
Love it, because it's a fresh herb in your kitchen fridge, okay? And you don't have to water it.
So that mixes in with the chicken broth.
Mixes in with the chicken broth, and I just blended it till smooth, and then added a little bit of whipping cream.
Oh, what? Oh.
I know, right?
Cool.
Just a little bit. Maybe like for the whole sauce, maybe like a third of a cup.
Cream it up, smooth
just
it out?
to cream it up, smooth it out, and just kind of blended it just slightly.
And then our fried basil on top.
And then fried basil on top.
I love it, Wendy.
Look at that.
And you mentioned your new cookbook that is out on Friday, right?
Yes. Okay, so Core 7 Fitness, I wrote a cookbook for them specifically. So you can go online to core7fitness.com and order it there. I'm so excited. Lots of healthy, yummy meals just like this.
We are celebrating for you, Core Fueled. We'll link you over to the website if you want to pick one up. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Thanks, Wendy.